Cartoons.
And more, might that thing, better and more
You're watching Exaba's Chernobyl.
Hey everyone! Today we're gonna take a look at Kids' washing machine. So anyways, may I suggest you want to request it? Sure, let's get started. Action.
Hi there guys, welcome back to Supercaf TV. Today we've got the Little Tikes first washer.
Hey, go Little Tikes!
It
It still got a really open to me first for the big old
Check
smiles.
out this video and we're just going to unbox
That's
it
cute.
and test it out and see if it's worth
Wow, I can't wait to do all of it this time. This is so outrageous.
Remove the
Still got a lot of moves in this one. Still got a moves in this one. I know when I have an idea. Very awesome.
Okay, so there's not much to the unboxing. It's just obviously the washing machine as you would find it in toy stores like Smith's Toys, for example, if they do sell one of these. It's in its packaging.
Sounds like a fast motion it is, huh? It's a first washing machine that's still packed it on. Very awesome,
Okay
huh?
guys, I've taken it out of the box itself. Now according to this, it has got approximately 10 accessories. So it states here, if it focuses, 3 baskets, 2 towels, 2 socks, 2 shirts, shorts, and a bottle of detergent. So that just basically says the same thing in different language. Now, first when I looked at it, there was only just this box here. Sorry, there was only this which I seen. I thought where the rest of the stuff is. So this is just a detergent according to what I can see here. That's only one of the baskets there. But if you flip the washing machine around, just got some pieces of foam in there which you can pull out.
That's
Okay,
one
so
looking
what you do is
surprise
take
on
the
this
back part
one.
off. That's the back
Very
part of the washing
cute.
machine. And there's all the rest of the accessories, the extra ones are here. There's also this. So there is some assembly to do. So that's one part.
That
the
still's got the part on my
instructions, and
own,
there's some
huh?
clips.
Very
Few
indeed.
extras. So what we're going to need to do is these bits here, just going to check where they go, and we'll quickly get those assembled. Okay, so what we need to do first is we've got this shelf, and this is the back wall of the washing machine. This basically slides in to this part here.
Still got slide along
If
with
it goes
this
in nice and
one.
easily the first time round. Okay, that's there. Okay, so this top shelf slides into the back part, which we just pulled out earlier on.
That's
So
really
nice and
awesome.
easy.
Still's a little bit coming.
Slots in, and then they've gave some screws, which are here. All you do is position them in, and turn them vertically as per the instructions, and that's
Really perfect, huh?
And it gives you some,
My own.
well, quite a few of those, so I'm guessing we are going to need to use those. So position them there. And the next step obviously is to get the washing machine here and place it inside there. So it should all align.
All that line for that thought,
so
huh?
that back part
That's
of the
really
washing machine,
awesome.
Which you assembled this on and
I
screwed
know
these
about
two
that.
parts on, is going to go back inside here. So we're just going to lock everything in position with the screws that they give. So the good thing is you don't need to get anything out yourself. It's all provided in here, so you're not going to have to get any sort of screwdrivers out or anything like that. Okay, so guys, nice and simple. All those little screws, plastic ones that are provided, they just align into the back part of the washing machine. Once
That's still off the parts on that one.
so it's simply just aligning them into place.
I
and
love
putting
that
these little
style.
screws that are provided.
That's
no
awesome.
Screwdrivers, etc. needed.
I really
And the
love
trays
this.
go into their position just like the picture. The batteries are already installed, so that's where they go on the side. You just simply power it on from here. Hey guys, let's test this washer dryer out. Okay, so let's switch it on first of all. And then get the door open. Nice little sound effects there. And get some clothes in there. Put them in for wash.
That's really awesome. You gotta put on the clothes on this time, huh? That's really off the show ones too.
These are some socks.
I love this one.
The shorts. And this here is a little t-shirt, so 2 t-shirts. Just put them all in. They're all filthy, so they all need a clean. So close the door, open the detergent drawer and pour some in. Guys, let's give it its first test run. Nice sound effects, like a real washing machine.
That's realistic, huh? That's awesome. That's a good graphics of my own. It's pretty dry washing, huh?
And that's the wash done.
Still fast and on go.
Take the clothes out, and there, this is the toy. As simple as that. So that's their washer dryer. Overall, guys, I highly recommend this washer dryer. It's good value for money, $49.99, and as you can see, it's keeping the little ones entertained. So it's well built, as it's a little Tikes toy.
That's
Most of
still
their
a good
toys
time
are
on that time,
really well
huh?
made, and
Very
it should keep them
indeed.
entertained for quite some time. Now it does take 4 AA batteries, but they already are pre-installed, as sometimes these toys are on display in places like Smith's Toys.
Man,
so they
that's
normally be in demo
cute.
mode, which
Some
is
kind of dishwashing on
here.
this one.
Set 'em up. So guys, do subscribe, share and like.
Well, I think that's it for now. Bye.
Oh, it's over. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Well, that's it, folks. Bye-bye.
Rat, rocket.